watch. I think that looks...
Oh, really? It's slick?
Yeah.
I have the
Yeah,
like
me
original
too.
version. I don't want it to be on all the time. It's just,
Really?
it lights up all the
Okay.
time, uses up the battery, whatever.
Yeah. Okay, tomorrow's going to be a lot like today. If you like today, hooray! Yeah, you got another dry, hot day. If you don't like this kind of weather, well, so too bad. Your rain will be coming. It'll be here by this weekend. We are going to see some tropical moisture moving in, do that cluster of storms that is north of Puerto Rico right now. It's actually moved into the southern Bahamas, so they're picking up some rain out of this. Take a look at our monthly stats, rainfall stats, that is. We were moving along pretty well until we got into September. Only 2 inches of rain so far, and that is below average. We could use about another inch to catch up. But overall for the year, we're running ahead here, about 4 inches, 4.2 inches. And really, September is one of our wettest months, so we've got a little catching up to do. August is our wettest month, but September is right in there too as our third wettest overall, typically. So we didn't have a whole lot of rain today. We had a few showers that popped up, but they were running into that dry air, so not much could develop this afternoon. But out over the Gulf, you might have seen these off the distance, made for a pretty sunset again this evening. There were some showers and thunderstorms out there. This is the little mass of thunderstorms I'm talking about. A little bit better organized today. It's sitting virtually almost in the same spot as yesterday. It is expected to start taking off and moving to the west-northwest. By the time we get into the weekend, that moisture should move across Florida. But the National Hurricane Center gives it a 40% chance that it could develop into something tropical by the time it gets into the Gulf of Mexico. Remember, the water is very, very warm there, and that's one of the ingredients that it needs to develop. This is the European model. You don't see a whole lot of development for the next few days until the weekend, and then you get all this green moving in. That's tropical moisture, showers and thunderstorms. There could be some heavy downpours, could be gusty winds with this as well. Definitely something to watch. But for tomorrow, very low chance for rain. It bumps up by the time we get into Thursday. So now we're starting to get more moisture getting into the area. 80 degrees, humidity 79%. Right now we have a easterly wind about 7 miles per hour, so the winds have died down. Some gusty conditions earlier today. Temperatures have dropped into the 80s for most locations. So overnight, clear skies, very nice, calm. We should have back in the 80s again and 90s tomorrow, 92 degrees at 3 p.m. And if you live in the coastal areas, I wouldn't doubt it goes higher than that, like Naples today of 97 degrees. It'll be warmer along the coast because of that offshore flow, a little bit cooler inland. And again, just an isolated shower thunderstorm is possible. 76 right now, an overnight 76, 93 your high tomorrow, maybe a storm, but most likely dry. Ingman Marine forecast sees 2 feet, light chop. 10 on your UV index. Your extended forecast, dry tomorrow. Showers and storms come back into the forecast starting on Thursday. Really increases on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday because of all that tropical moisture. Just some isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening.